Okay, girls, do you like princess stories?
Yes!
Well, we are going to learn a princess story today, but first we need to see which order it goes in. Which card do you think is the first card? Repeat, the first card.
The first card.
I think this
this
one is the first card.
one is the first card.
Good, well done. Take it and put it in the correct place under first. Well done, high five. First card. Which card is the second card?
The second card is this one.
Wonderful. Is it this one?
No. Yes.
No. Which one do you think the second card is?
It's this one.
Is this one the second card?
Yes.
The second card?
The second card.
Yeah, well done. Put it in the space. Now, which card is the third card?
The third card is this one.
No.
The third card is this one.
No.
The third card is this one.
Yeah, well done. Fantastic. Which card is the fourth card? The fourth card
is this one.
Yeah, well done. Oh. Wonderful. Which card is the
Fourth one.
fifth card? The fifth card.
I think it's this one.
Yeah, well done. Which card is the eighth card?
The eighth card is this one.
Well done. Yeah. Wonderful. Is this card the ninth card?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. This card is the ninth card. So
This card is the 10th card.
is the 10th card. Well done! This is our story. Now we can learn and act our story. Well done, girls.